We currently have over 100 firefighters with more on order. We have an evacuation, a mandatory evacuation for all Montecito residents that live north of Highway 192, which is also known as East Sound Road and Sycamore Canyon Road, and that would be between Cold Springs and Hot Springs Road. Additionally, Westmont College, which is in the same vicinity, has had a voluntary evacuation to their gym, which is a designated shelter-in-place location. So residents that live in that area can also go to Westmont College to the gym for evacuation as well.
And Jerry, we've heard about homes, although unconfirmed, that have burned. Is that true? And I understand that saving homes right now, not the exact priority.
Well, they're certainly doing the best they can. Our first priority, of course, is life safety and then property. And that is what they're working on. We do have, again, all the equipment is in the area, doing the best they can to protect the structures. But again, we do have the weather working against us, and so we're doing the best we can to get this fire contained.
And the latest we hear is that the fire is moving to the southwest. Should folks in that area prepare to evacuate?
We haven't been given any additional evacuation notices at this time. It would not be unwise for the people in those areas to start preparing. And if they are handicapped in any way, to actually start evacuating. But we have not called for anything other than what I stated earlier.
All right, and we are talking with Jerry Ventura, that is the spokesperson for the Montecito Fire Department. As you can well guess, they are extremely busy at the moment. As you heard, their priority right now is not even saving structures so much as it is making sure that people themselves are safe. So once again, to cover those mandatory evacuations, Hot Springs Road to El Salito, north of 192, essentially from what we've heard, everybody in Montecito that is on that area of 192. Now, the evacuation warnings and these could change to mandatory soon, so keep it here. Hot Springs Road, Sycamore Canyon Road, Salinas to Highway 101. And we've been mentioning this quite a bit, but for folks that are just tuning in, the evacuation center is set up at San Marcos High School. Also, another reminder from Jerry is that folks can call the 211 number. Again, that's not 911, it's 211. That's what she suggests, and others in emergency services. We haven't had much luck getting through to it ourselves. We've tried. It's rung busy, so that may or may not come in handy. But again, I just want you to know that emergency personnel asking people to call that 211 number and keep it here for updates. David?
This is Peter. David stepped away from the microphone here for a moment or two. I'm Peter By, and you are listening to continuous coverage of what is now being called the T Fire, and was handed a note a few moments ago by Rick Williams, said the Tea House or Tea Garden area of Montecito was the possible flashpoint for the fire, so hence the name, the Tea Fire.